Good morning, children. How are you? Must be good. Staying home, staying safe? Yes. So, do you remember that I taught you in previous class how to write small a to D? Did you practice it? Yes, very good. Today again I will teach you how to write some more small letter, that will be A, E, F, G, H. Okay? So, first we will read it and then I will teach you how to write it. So, first we are going to read. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. Till here only I have taught you how to write small letter A, B, small a, small b, small c, small d. Now today I am going to teach you E for elephant, F for fish. Can you see small e? See this small e and small f. Okay. Then G for grapes, H for hen. See small g. I will not make G like this, but I will show you how to make. You can see small g is also there. H for hen, small h. So today I am going to teach you E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes and H for hen. So are you ready? I have already drawn lines over here. Can you see? This is a red line, blue line. In your notebook, in your English notebook, we also have red and blue line. So today first we will practice small a to D. See, small a. Okay, first you will make a C and then 1 and then turn it around. Then small b, how to make a small b? 1 and turn it like this. Small b. Small c is very simple. It is to be written in both the blue lines only. Small c. जो आप छोटी e के ऊपर भी बनाते हो, सॉरी बड़ी e के ऊपर, remember? Then small d, 1 बनाया and then turn it over here. So this is small a, small b, small c, small d. Okay? You have practiced it? Now today I am going to teach you how to write small e. C. You know how to make C? सबको पता है, ऐसे बनता है blue lines के बीच में. अब आप इसी को हल्का सा घुमाते हैं अंदर. Small e. Small f. Red line से blue line तक 1 बनाएंगे. Okay? और फिर जो रेड लाइन वाला पॉइंट है यू विल टर्न इट लाइक दिस. थोड़ा उसे टी की, उल्टा टी की शेप देंगे, जे की, एंड देन कट इट फ्रॉम दिस. बीच में से उसे कट कर देंगे. स्मॉल एफ. जी, मेक अ 1 फ्रॉम ब्लू लाइन टू डाउन 1, जो नीचे है रेड लाइन उसके नीचे तक, और उसे ऐसे घुमाया जैसे एफ को घुमाया था. ओके, एंड देन टर्न इट लाइक अ सी. फिर उसको सी की तरह फिर से. स्मॉल जी, स्मॉल एच, 1 and like this. Okay, so read it with me very carefully. I have not made capital letters today. I have only written small one. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen. So this is small letter A to H. Now I have written on the board and shown it to you. Now I will show you how to write it on a notebook. Do you remember this page? मैम ने लिख के दिखाया था and told you to practice it. अब today I will teach you how to write small e, small f, small g and small h. Ready? Okay? So this is your PW which you will revise it once again. Today again I am going to give you 2 pages PW. Small a, small b, small c, small d. See how to write on the notebook. This is a 2 blue lines. These are draw C 1 and like this. Small a, b 1 बनाया और उसको ऐसे टर्न कर दिया. ब्लू लाइन से नीचे नहीं जाएगा, रेड लाइन के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. जहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है वहीं से. इफ़ यू डोंट नो, टेल योर मम्मा टू गिव यू 2 dots for B and 2 dots for A on the lines. Small c is very easy. 2 dots देंगी मम्मा and you will turn it like this. Then again your mama can put 2 dots for D. You can make 1 and then turn it like this. Round घुमा दिया C की तरह. Everything, can you see, it is made by C only. Sometimes it's turned this side, sometimes that side. So small a, small b, small c, small d. This is your PW. This you will revise previous one. Now today I will teach you how to write small e. First you will write capital E, draw one. You know how to write capital E. Small e, make a C again and then turn it inside. Again you can take 2 dots from your mama. Now small f. First we will write big F, capital one. Then draw one. Turn it up like this. अभी मैम ने आपको बोर्ड पे बताया था. और ये जो लाइन है इसी पे आप एक स्मॉल लाइन ऐसे स्लीपिंग लाइन बनाओगे. ओके, स्मॉल f. Then G. The capital G is like this, you know. Small g, very easy. From this line, blue line to red line and turn it like this. जो F में करा था. And then again a C. Small g. H. Capital H. Then small h is like this. Make a 1 and turn it like this. Small h. Can you see ma'am ने कैसे लिखा है? Yes, very good. Now tell your mama to write like this and you will practice. And now your homework is this. You will practice A, B, C, D 4 times and E, F, G, H. So that you remember कि A, B, C, D के बाद E, F, G, H आता है. वरना आप भूल जाते हो. Okay? So this is your homework. PW, you will practice it. No homework, practice work. Okay? You will practice this page and then this page. Okay? Now practice it and revise it. In next class, I will teach you some more letters how to write it. Thank you. Bye-bye.